So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Precious Lifestyle. So guys, in today's video, I haven't done this before, but we are going to do it. Yeah, we are going to do it for the sake of this video. So guys, if you are new to my channel, do it to click that subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, Dorothy, do you have anything to say? Say hi guys. Look at that cute. Say hi. Say hi, mommy. So guys, before my husband left the house for work, so he asked me to make a stew, he asked me to make a pot of stew, which I told him, okay, I'll make a pot of stew because it has been long we ate rice and stew. So I said, okay, I'll cook the rice and stew. Wait, let me pick my fork. So I said, okay, no problem, I'll cook the rice and stew. So guys, my husband don't like eating like tacos, hamburger, KFC, kebab, or those stuff. My husband don't like eating it to bed. Like, that man no fit eat all those things sleep. That man can't try it. Like, I don't know. My husband love eating African food to bed. Like, if he's going to bed evening time, like he can manage those food for breakfast, lunch, but dinner, that man will not try it. That man no fit eat those things go bed. He won't try it. So I'm going to call him now and tell him if he's coming back from work, he should buy us tacos and buy KFC for dinner, that I'm tired, I can't cook. Let me see what he has to say. If he will say yes or no, let me see. So guys, we are going to be calling him now. Okay? Okay. He's at work in case you don't know. So I'm already making the pot of stew, which I will show you guys later, but let's call him first. Let me put the phone on that. Hello, man. You dey busy? Hey, I'm sorry. Because of the noise. Okay. I say, as in my belly they pay me one can. If you feel bad tacos, 2 tacos come more don't eat sleep, or you buy KFC for me. You know if you buy KFC for me. But you feel buy tacos, maybe and you just eat sleep. Okay, you know, but I know if we cook and we don't get stew for us, we don't get stew for us again.
I would rather manage to go with
but we don't get anything for us. You know, say if not before now, at least I'll try to cook anything. But we don't get stew, don't get anything. I'm barely paying me. Like, I'm not even joking. But I eat medicine now, but the things they pay me, I don't feel cook, I don't feel stand up for bed. That's why I would hold it up now. Like, don't go inside bed. Okay, no problem. All right. So guys, he said he can't eat tacos for dinner. Like, this man said he can't eat tacos for dinner. Oh my goodness. That I shouldn't worry. If he come back, he will make indomie for himself, and if he's coming back, he will buy tacos for me. But for him, like when he gets back, he will make indomie for himself. Wow. So guys, okay, let's continue with this video. Let me show you guys what I'm making. I'm making stew. So this stew and rice. Look at that camera there. I'm tired. I can't vlog with that camera. Like, it's too stressful. It's too heavy. I don't have time for that, so I'm vlogging with my phone. So guys, we have turkey here, we have fish, onions, queue, and my tin tomatoes, and my pepper, blended pepper. In here we have blended pepper and what was it, onions, yeah. And here we have my motive tomatoes. I already parboiled it, and in there we have my beef, my meat. So we're about to start cooking now. Look at this girl. She took one full meat and start eating it alone. Look at her hand. Look at her hand, guys. Look. See, when I tell you guys she take it herself, can you guys see that? Can you guys see how she take it? Look at her hand. Wait. Let me say hi. Look at her mat. Look at her mat. That's what she always does. Like every time I'm cooking, she will just come, take one now, start eating it. But what can I do? Nothing. Okay. So guys, I will be making a big pot of stew because I don't like cooking stew every blessed day. I love when, let me turn the camera. I love cooking stew and just dividing it into two. Keep some in freezer and keep some in normal fridge, in case if we want, when we finish that one in the fridge, we can just take the one in the freezer. Because like I can't be cooking every day. Sometimes I don't even feel like cooking, and we can manage. If we have stew at home, we can just go and take this stew and just parboil rice. Anybody can just parboil rice in this stew and we all eat. So that's how we do it. Nobody got time to cook every day. Okay, if you are like me, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe you said what?
No, because I was kind of surprised. I was busy at work, like really busy, and I got a call that I should eat tacos and sleep. But like back to tacos, it was strange to me because she knew that I don't like
eating tacos
all this kind of snacks in the night to bed. African man, so I still have to. I didn't even know, but unfortunately, when I opened the door, the aroma perceived. I just smelled. I said, "Wow, that could be
stew." So guys, I'll end this vlog now.
Who is more cute?
Okay, too fine, like
fine boy with beard.
Abo
Beard.
See this man, the love of my life.
Pink lips.
Guys, this man got mixed. But he didn't buy for himself. He said it was like, okay, if he got home, he will prepare indomie for himself if I'm sick, as in. Guys, I'm not going to be eating the tacos because I prepared stew already, and we are going to be eating stew and rice for dinner. So we are going to be eating the tacos tomorrow. I'm going to be eating it tomorrow afternoon. So, and I'll end this vlog here. If you guys want me to do more prank on him, let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. And please, if you enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.